Welcome to A+ Computer Repair, your one-stop shop for all your computer repair needs. Call now at 910-547-6126. We offer quick, dependable, convenient, and affordable repairs. We also cater to busy schedules with free on-site pickup. We service the area and surrounding areas of Wilmington, North Carolina. Here's a list of our services, but not limited to: PC and Apple repair, iPhone, iPad, iPod repair. When it comes to virus removal, we fix it right the first time and then school you on some preventative maintenance. We offer remote support, so when you're away from home, we can be there for you. We also specialize in LCD repair because stuff happens. Sometimes your laptop will not turn on because of a broken power jack. You guessed it, we repair these too. And we've been known to have the fastest turnaround times in town, usually 1 to 2 days. We also buy used laptops. So call us today at 910-547-6126 or visit us online at thewilmingtoncomputerrepair.com.